Dear Cheri, does microwaving edibles ruin them? Microwaves and edibles. That is an excellent question. Thank you for asking it. Before I get to the answer, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, on the subject of microwave ovens and edible cannabis, I generally avoid microwaves at all costs, if at all possible. For edibles, for reheating edibles, for making infusions, you do not want to use the microwave. Why? Because microwaves are notorious for heating foods very unevenly. And if you think about this, I'm sure you have experience with it. Sometimes one part of the food gets extremely hot and other parts are still at room temperature. They're very unpredictable, and temperature is a consideration when you're cooking with cannabis, because too much heat and you render your THC useless. If you're decarbing and not enough heat, and you won't properly activate your cannabis. And if you don't know what decarbing is, see the comments below because there'll be a link to my decarboxylation tutorial. But the bottom line is, when it comes to microwaves and edibles, no, it's not a great idea. I suppose if you were absolutely in a pinch and desperate, you could maybe try to heat something, but I would do it in tiny, tiny increments and rotating it all the time. But really, generally, avoid the microwave when it comes to marijuana edibles. Hope this helps. I'll see you next time. Eat your weed.